CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact plan, everything with Circle Internet Group, especially with a 25% increase in price. This is how my chart's looking like. Just to be the honest guy here, I got 3 opportunities. One was a W, one was a break even, which no money were made. And then I had this idea that sort of now it's definitely delivering. Now here's the proof. It was sitting at 104 2 days back. Since then, boom, it's still, sort of popped up on Friday, which I like. Going like when we open up on next week, well, I'm open-minded for, occasionally, not occasionally, but I'm open-minded for buying, meaning that if it does pull down and shows me the rules, I'm obviously looking to take it up. But I'm just going to be sticking to my edge that I've refined and tested over 42,000 videos. I'm not going to be trying to reinvent the wheel or anything. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then and want to stay tuned with CRCL, then sure, for free, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.